Hey food lovers, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen, where today we're whipping up something that's not just good, it's so good. It's the ultimate comfort oxtail stew, packed with flavors that'll make your heart sing and your taste buds dance. Don't forget, if you're itching for the full written recipe, just hop on over to kelvinskitchen.com after we're done here. Let's get started with our star player, the oxtail. First, grab about 3 pounds of oxtails. These aren't just any cut of meat, they're the key to a stew that truly comforts from the inside out. You'll want to give these tails a proper marinade bath. Combine soy sauce, white vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce. This trio brings a punch of umami, tang, and a hint of sweetness, absolutely perfect for our stew base. Throw in some ground cumin, dried oregano, a bit of adobo, and a packet of Sazon for that extra kick and color. Mix it all together and let the oxtails marinate, soaking up all those incredible flavors. Overnight is best because good things come to those who wait, right? Now here comes a little secret to give our oxtails a stunning caramelized color. In your pot, sprinkle about a tablespoon of sugar and let it melt over medium heat. Watch as it turns a beautiful golden brown. This is where the magic happens. Once your sugar is caramelized, quickly add the oxtails in batches, searing them in the bubbly sweet syrup. This step not only deepens the color but also introduces a subtle sweetness that balances the robust flavors. With your oxtails beautifully browned, it's time to add in the chopped onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Let them mingle until they're just softened. Stir in chopped tomatoes, a bit of tomato paste, and that magical sofrito. By the way, if you need an amazing sofrito recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. I've got you covered. Let this mix simmer until the aromas tease your senses and fill your kitchen. Pour in enough beef broth or water to just cover the oxtails. Add the browned oxtails back into the pot. Sprinkle in some paprika and drop in a couple of bay leaves for an herbal touch. Add a dash of cayenne pepper for a gentle heat that creeps up on you. Just enough to say hello without overpowering the conversation, and let the pot work its magic. We're going low and slow here, letting it simmer for about 2.5 to 3 hours. The meat will become tantalizingly tender, practically falling off the bone. As we wrap up, taste the stew and adjust the seasoning as needed. If you like a thicker sauce, you can simmer it uncovered for the last 30 minutes or thicken it with a cornstarch slurry. Just before serving, garnish with fresh chopped cilantro and a sprinkle of vibrant chopped scallions for that final pop of flavor and color. And that's how you make the ultimate comfort oxtail stew right here in Kelvin's Kitchen. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, for the detailed recipe and more, visit us at kelvinskitchen.com. Keep cooking, keep smiling, and see you next time.